Okay, so 2026, we're gonna be getting into a lot of different stuff on the channel, like a lot more rifle content. So this is my SIG MCX Spear with the brand new SIG Hexium suppressor. Really haven't shot this all that much. Sounds good. So something like this, or something like this, which is the SIG Sauer upper receiver. This is the Surge, the suppressed upper receiver group, with this MCX upper with the SIG SLX suppressor in this interesting take with this shroud. So a lot of cool stuff coming to the channel. Stay tuned.